improve Indian's economy, urbanization is the only solution for our economy. So I wanted to construct a regional ring road, and from outer ring road to regional ring road, I wanted to lay down a radial roads. All along with the regional ring road, I wanted to construct a regional ring rail. From there, I wanted to create, my state is landlocked state. So that is why I requested Mr. Chandrababu Naidu Garu as well Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to create a dry port from outer regional ring road. From there to Kakinada port or otherwise Machilipatnam port to dedicated Greenfield National Highway along with railway line. So where I can compete with China. I am not going to compete with Amravati or Mumbai or Bangalore or any other place. China plus one policy is mine. So people are looking forward China plus one. I have interacted South Koreans, I have interacted many MNC companies. So all those are looking forward China plus one. China plus one is my state, Hyderabad. So from regional ring road to the border of Telangana is the rural area, where I can create an agriculture ecosystem, where I can create an cold storages, where I can produce organic food, I can export meat, poultry, and fish and everything. So I wanted to divide